Yo, what's up, you awesome dudes and dudettes of my dead squad out there? It's Deadman 101. Back another YouTube video for you guys today. Before I get on with the video, I want to apologize in advance because I know I said I was going to do a vlog for you guys today, but I come to find out I do not have enough time to do a vlog, so I got to do some stuff tonight, so I'm really busy. So again, I am sorry about this. So today's video is actually going to be a reaction video. But, yeah. So it's a reaction video for you guys today. I'm sorry. I was going to do a vlog, but I just didn't have the time to do a vlog. So we're just going to do a reaction today. But I will do a vlog on Friday. But again, I'm sorry. But today we are going to be reacting to the Angry Grandpa, the Garbage Dog. Ugh, that don't even sound that good to me. But yeah. If you want to see the original video, the link will be in the description down below if you want to go ahead and see that video. If you are not subscribed to the Angry Grandpa Show, go ahead and subscribe. The link is also in the description down below for that channel as well. But again, I'm sorry, but we're going to get right into this reaction right now in 3, 2, 1, boom.
I don't know why you think we... That's what I bought the motherfucker. I wanted a goddamn hot dog. Where's my goddamn hot dog?
He wanted that wiener.
Gas station hot dog. I'm sorry. I don't give a goddamn. They got the best fucking hot dog. You should try the cheeseburger thing. Go back and get that. Might be my room. Look at this. I've got a room.
It's an Oscar Mayer.
It's all soggy. Open that part. I'm looking. I don't think I should do this, baby. I'm sorry. Clean this. I got it. Got it? Yeah. Where was it? It was sitting in the microwave. I'm just gonna throw it away. Give my goddamn hot dog. It's been sitting in the microwave all day. I don't give a fuck. Give my goddamn hot dog. All right. Damn, the chili I'm melting off that motherfucker.
This is so gross.
Motherfucking fuck. Let me throw it away then. No.
Oh my god! They literally just dug a freaking hot dog out of the trash, and now Angry Grandpa's eating it? Oh, that is nasty. Because Grandpa doesn't even know that the hot dog was in the garbage can the whole time. Oh my god! This is nasty. Don't do this at home, people.
Then heat it up. Then throw it in the trash, Dad.
I think I'm gonna puke in a second here.
Just heat it up and eat it. It tastes funny. Motherfucker got ginger. A flavor. I don't know what that goddamn flavor is, but sure bad. I go back to goddamn Sunoco. I'm gonna tell them about their goddamn hot dog. Motherfucker's got a taste to it. I don't know what the fuck that taste is. It's a gas station hot dog. What did you expect? You expected Nathan? It's an Oscar Mayer wiener! You don't
He said wiener.
What about it every time? I ain't seen nothing in that store that said Oscar Mayer. You ain't never seen that, you retarded fat motherfucker. Okay. You and your goddamn sister. Sister? Yeah, your goddamn sister. Ain't that what people say? Damn, that thing got tinge. I don't know what the shit that is. They don't got a flavor like... I don't know, some kind of goddamn juice something. Then don't eat it. No, you take a bite. No, I do not. I don't eat hot dogs, and you know this. God damn.
No, duh! It just came out of the microwave. Hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm sorry for that interruption. Yeah, let's get back into the video.
No!
Of course it's gonna be hot.
Oh man, look at the steam. It does smell gross. I can't believe you're eating
It's got some kind of goddamn smell to it. Ah! Ah!
I don't know.
Yeah, it's just been, it got soggy up because it's sitting in the microwave all day.
I swallowed it.
I think we should tell him. Dad,
What?
hold on, take another bite. Why are you throwing it out?
I can't eat that shit no more. Damn, motherfucker hot.
Take another bite. We dug it out of the garbage.
Oh my god. Look at Grandma's face.
God, that was fucking garbage juice. You sick motherfucker, Bobby. I'm gonna get goddamn tomatoes on motherfucking shit like that. Salmonella. You motherfucker, I get salmonella. You. Ah! Fuck!
Hey, just threw a wiener at him.
You goddamn hot dog, motherfucker.
Oh shit! Go, Roger, go! Oh fuck!
God damn.
He's mad.
Oh, he's coming!
That raging goddamn board like.
There's no lock on this door!
Where you at, motherfucker? Come on out of there.
I'm outside!
Oh, come out of there. Come out, wherever you are, motherfucker.
He is mad.
Damn my face. You piece of shit. God damn, my stomach feeling queasy. That was garbage juice. You never did this goddamn go sick motherfucker. Son of a bitch. Can't believe it. I fucking hate you. That motherfucking garbage, making garbage cans. There's that goddamn old peanut pea from last summer last night now. Oh, you there?
Oh, you guys. So that was the Angry Grandpa Garbage Dog video. I don't think I'm gonna be eating hot dogs for a little while now after that. Oh my god, that's disgusting. Ew. What the hell, though? That is so mean to do to somebody, though. Make them eat a hot dog after it was found in the garbage. That is literally kind of disgusting right there. Oh. Blech. I don't think I'm eating hot dogs for a while, though. But that was the video. Like I said, if you want to go and see the original video, the link will be in the description down below if you want to see it. And if you want to subscribe to the Angry Grandpa Show, the link is also in the description down below as well. But I am going to get the heck out of here. I got to go do some stuff. Thanks for watching, you guys. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel for more videos and all that. Follow me on Twitter and subscribe to my second channel, Deadman 101 Gaming. And I will see you guys in the next video. Rest in peace, you guys, and have a good night. Peace out. Links are in the description.